Hi everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily enable or disable the IP remote. At first we have to go to the control panel on the left here and scroll down to the settings. Here click all settings and now scroll down to the connections. Click on network and scroll down to the expert settings. The second option here is IP remote, and here, as you can see, if we enable this and click OK, now we can, as you can see, allow IP control devices to remotely access and adjust your smart monitor system and settings for your viewing environment. And that's how it works. Goodbye!